excited to have all of you back again. Today, we are going to learn about something that affects each one of us who calls the Earth our home. We know that the Earth is a very clever planet. It has the perfect temperature to keep all living beings happy. But did you know that this ideal temperature that keeps all of us happy depends on a very delicate balance? When the sun's rays meet the Earth on its surface, the heat from these rays helps all living things grow. These rays also bounce back to space and help in keeping the Earth cool. The twin actions must be perfectly balanced in order to maintain the Earth's ideal temperature. If and when this balance is disturbed, the Earth experiences climate change. In addition to the sun's rays, greenhouse gases also play a big role in our Earth's climate. You can think of greenhouse gases as a vast blanket that covers the Earth. They trap the heat from the sun's rays, which in turn helps plants grow. In the good old days, this blanket that covered the Earth was thin and comfortable for our planet. But then, things started changing. From the 1700s, human beings started exploiting natural resources carelessly, burning more coal to make electricity, increasing fuel consumption to drive more vehicles, and cutting down forests and trees to make way for rampant construction. Since these indiscriminate actions led to the release of more greenhouse gases in the environment, the blanket of greenhouse gases surrounding the Earth started getting thicker and thicker. Imagine yourself wrapped tightly in a very thick blanket. Won't you feel hot and dizzy? Now imagine how our poor Earth must be feeling inside this thick blanket. The ideal temperature for living beings is not something that the Earth can control anymore. Climate change is threatening our very own home, our Earth. And this is where we come in. It is up to you to help our Earth in becoming comfortable again instead of feeling suffocated within a thick blanket. We need to spread awareness about how we can help our Earth get its happy temperature back again. Will you sign up and become the climate change agent that our world so badly needs? The theme for the beginner's course on game development is Climate Action, Sustainable Development Goal number 13. This Sustainable Development Goal, or SDG, aims to bring awareness about the global challenges arising out of the drastic effects of climate change and to provide a plan of action to achieve a more sustainable future for all. Are you ready? So, begin by giving yourself a nice name. How do climate scientist, or young activist, or eco-agent, or earth ranger sound? Put on your creative hats and come up with a nice name for yourself and add it to your profile to get started. From the next video, we will embark on our mission of spreading awareness about climate change by developing games in Scratch. See you soon. Bye-bye.